taking a shower.
Yeah. What are you doing?
You've been caught, girl. Singing Bruno Mars in 4K.
And in my birthday suit. And how about this one? Wet and juicy.
No.
Wet
No.
and juicy. I actually don't know how the song goes. How does it go?
Wet and juicy. Wet and juicy.
Peeing! Stop, I'm naked!
What? The one time I say, hey guys, let's all film together, he says,
Fucked up.
suddenly I have to up in the shower. Face bomb.
Fucked up for that.
Hey, it sounds wet and juicy in there.
Stop, why'd you open the door to me naked?
You're not naked. Enough of the matcha photos.
Girl, seriously, this is my job. Look at how beautiful that is.
It actually does look beautiful. I like how this little corner of our house is so demure, and then you zoom out and it's actually a catastrophe. For example, what is this?
These are my jellies I made. They are edible, but like in the same way that dirt and grass is edible.
Yeah.
You can eat it.
Oh, thanks, Queen. This is so gorge.
Yeah.
These are Ashley's vegan jellos made with agar-agar. Kind of has the same consistency as a Orby would, I imagine. Oh.
So good.
So guys, to start out my what I eat in a day, here's breakfast. Going to eat some amethyst, an abundance of edible glitter and... Whoa.
Clitoris.
No! Abundance of edible glitter in here. Oh, it smells like toilet cleaner or something. Cheers. Oh!
You can spit it out.
Thank you for also making this 4 days ago and leaving it out on the counter for all 4 days.
And thank you, God, for blessing us with the ingredients to make this food.
Thank you for the agar-agar powder that is derived from seaweed. And, okay, also what's interesting, to the left of the crystal plate, you will find matcha powder all over the counter. Now, what should we do about this? Let me think. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking.
Cleaned it.
This is Ashley's method of wiping down the counters. Matcha has those antioxidants that actually kill germs and keep your surfaces nice and clean.
Whoever walked in, I hope your editor is okay with seeing my pinor.
What? Whoa!
The
Nobody
editor did
saw
not
that.
see that.
You walked in knowing that. That's fucked up.
That's what you get for using my bathroom, boy. I have the right to open a door whenever I want. I'm just kidding. So pretty much, let me give you guys the rundown. This is what it's like living with all 3 of us in New York City in a 2-bedroom apartment. Honestly, I would say it works pretty well, but there are some things I got to complain about, such as Mr. Clean hiding in the corner. You know that there's a card from Cards Against Humanity that says Mr. Clean standing right behind you? He's right there. Bro, and I use that card every time when I play the game. I always win. Okay, you guys, here's the real tea. I have a bone to pick with each of my siblings. Let me start with Ashley. Matcha on every surface, honestly, I'm okay with it. At this point, it's become a little quirk of our house. On a day-to-day basis, Kelly comes by, holding a bouquet of flowers. He says, here you go, my queen, Ashley, take these flowers, I love you. And she says, oh my God, they're beautiful. And then she leaves, never to come back, never to put them in a vase. That's where me and Andrew come in. We snip those flowers, we put them in a vase. And what happens next? They sit on the counter for weeks until they start growing mold.
It's because I travel a lot. I'm sorry, girl.
Yeah. We say, oh, the flowers are covered in mold. What should we do? Ashley should throw them away. Wait, she's in the Philippines. Dang it! We gotta throw them away ourselves. Fuck! Every day, we get new flowers, we trim them, we put them in the vase, they grow mold, we throw them away. So shout out to Kelly for being an excellent boyfriend and getting those flowers. And, you know, honestly, I love the routine. It is really something special. Now to get onto this guy, first of all.
She's having her annual crash out.
It's because Andrew's almost done living here, so now I can finally speak my truth, okay? Andrew, how would you describe living here in 3 words?
Fortnite. What's so funny? Stinky beef.
Fortnite stinky beef. Fortnite stinky beef.
That's Fortnite stinky beef.
No, Fortnite stinky beef. You
Wait,
can't
I
argue
think
that.
Andrew might be Fortnite and I might be Stinky.
You're just still beef.
I'm definitely beef though, that's for sure. Another thing I have to say, because we don't have a 3rd bedroom, this has become Andrew's bedroom. Wow, it's so beautiful in here.
I mean, low-key, it is freaking gorgeous.
I mean, it is gorgeous, but
Andrew, like, doesn't really have, like, he doesn't have a closet space necessarily. He doesn't
Wait,
have...
let's see Amber's room before we get there.
whoa. You know what's okay about my room though? I can close the door. No one has to see it. This is always visible. Also, let me be clear. I'm totally joking, bros. Life is amazing every day with my siblings.
Come.
What?
Let's see your room.
Okay, I was just starting to be nice.
Come on. Here's my pile in Amber's room, by the way.
Oh yeah, Andrew's stuff extends into my room.
Don't forget. And now I'm gonna sit on Amber's bed with dirty clothes.
No.
Do it.
Bro,
Do it.
dead
Do
ass
it.
don't
Do
do
it.
it.
Close your eyes.
No. Actually, a life hack that I have now is that I put a blanket on top and I consider this a dirty blanket so that during the day people can lay on my bed.
I did the same one time because when you live in a shared living space,
Everybody sits on your
I would
bed.
love to just sit on your bed.
Yeah, for real.
Why you don't have a chair here though?
Why you don't have a chair? I don't have room for a chair.
You would.
To address all the comments asking me if I've read this, I literally don't want to talk about it. That's all I'm gonna say. And what? What? Is this so wrong? Is this so wrong? We all have a pile in our rooms.
We all have
Whoa,
a pile
whoa,
in our
whoa.
rooms? More like we all have a room for our piles.
This is my room for my pile. What can I say? Oh, another bone to pick. I think with 3 people in the house, our washing machine gave up and died. So now we can't do laundry.
Yeah.
I think it's his fault. One pet peeve about Andrew is actually he is too clean.
He does laundry every
Every
single
day, 3 showers a day. I say, bro, calm it down. Water bill is going up, brother. Let's bring it back down.
Get her
Okay,
ass.
okay, get her ass, get her ass.
Get her ass.
Bro, back to taking more photos. It's been 20 minutes.
Cause it's fucking melting, and I'm trying to be nice and film your video for you, but I'm like, my ice is melting.
No.
Do you see how nice this looks? I gotta take a picture before it all melts, bro.
Andrew, what's your vibe of the day?
Hungry. I had a huge meal today. I had a pound of ground beef and a ball of mozzarella cheese. And 3 cups of coffee, a White Monster.
The vibrations of that meal are very high.
I'm gonna shit myself.
Well, oh, wait, let's see what Ashley's up to. Oh, still taking pictures of the matcha.
Of course.
What do you want for dinner today?
Happiness.
I'll make dinner if you
No.
say what you want. What? I feel like at least once per day, one of us will cook a delicious meal for everyone. Ashley's been making me some yummy breakfast lately. Andrew been cooking his ground beef and sharing that with me. I sometimes make a little dinner. This actually looks amazing. Let's taste test these things that Ashley gotted. We're gonna eat these pastries that Ashley got for her Nami home cafe event that she did. We have a variety of things left. This is a flat-ass cardamom bun. New York City has some good cardamom buns.
Ashley a bot.
Is Ashley a bot, yes or no?
Who can dip it in the matcha?
Can I do that?
Of course she has to drink it first.
I'm drinking off the melted ice layer, so it's more creamy for Amber. Seriously? I'm a
Bro,
good sister.
that's so sisterhood. Thank you, queen. Ooh, that matcha drip.
Chlamydia drip. Sorry.
Chlamydia drip.
Isn't that the one?
Gonorrhea drip.
Ah,
Get it right, brother.
Yeah.
This is from Olenstein Bakery, I think, right? They have a really good ham and cheese toasty, but this is a little bit too thin and dry for me.
Can you do something with your hand weird?
This is from Bread's Bakery. The manager, she said that this got voted best croissant in New York City.
What? How could a croissant be number 1? Oh my god, it's really good. Wait, it literally is like so fluffy in the middle. It was like I bit into a cloud. Okay, that's enough. Well, pretty much. When the queen's queen a little too hard.
This is called
Glaucoma.
glaucoma.
Wait,
Glaucoma.
Guacamole
think you have
coma.
glaucoma.
You
Wait.
look like you have glaucoma.
Wait, Andrew.
Key glock.
I'm pretty sure you have iridociclitis.
Wait, by the looks of it, kind of looks like you got.
Iridociclitis starts with the eye. Oh my god, you're killing me. Who wants to know what iridociclitis is? Who wants,
me,
who wants to know what
I
iridociclitis is?
do, tell me.
Okay, it's basic.
Ah.
Basically when your eye is more like conically shaped. And it affects your vision negatively.
You give me eye mask but not earplugs.
Whoa! So it's when your eye is more iconically shaped.
Yeah, I think it's like maybe your lens of your eye, or I'm kind of forgetting. It's a good question for mom.
It's when you're iconic as hell.
Yeah, but if you have iridociclitis, you have to wear special contact lenses. A lot of times you have to wear like hard contact lenses that like fit specifically to the shape of your eyeball because this has a weird eyeball shape.
Oh, seriously?
It's not spherical,
Oh, it's not weird, sorry. It's just different.
but you're weird.
No, I don't have iridocyclitis.
People with iridocyclitis are normal
But
compared to you.
I have.
Yeah, I'm saying it.
I have a very normal friend with iridocyclitis. Like genuinely, I have a friend with iridocyclitis.
Yeah, there's in every group, every friend group has two people. The normal one, and the one that doesn't have iridocyclitis.
The one that doesn't have.
Because your friend was normal. Because your friend was normal but had iridocyclitis, and you're the weird one.
You know who has iridocyclitis?
Max Bush.
Yeah, how did you
I already
know?
this. Shout out Max Bush. Shout out, you're the most normal dude I know. Meanwhile, that's your bestie.
It's so hard losing a friend.
What the?
Rest in peace, my bush.
Whoa, that was crazy.
Andrew misses his butt.
No. Hey.
Oh, I saw a TikTok that said.
Really?
I'm gonna zoom out. Yeah, I saw a TikTok that's really. I saw a TikTok that said George Bush would be a really good drag name. Oh no, it was President Bush.
Oh,
That makes way
President
more
Bush.
sense. Okay, now we've reached the part of the day where we have to take our daily thumbnail. For this one, we're gonna freaking fight each other. 3, 2, 1. No! Guys, stop fighting! We're siblings and we're fighting. Stop being so goofy, bro! Stop being so goofy! Stop!
One chance.
One chance to stop being goofy.
Stop being goofy. Stop.
Don't be goofy!
Stop. Put your actually dead ass. Put your tongue back in your mouth, my guy. Andrew, stop. Not that. Not stop. Andrew,
What?
digital footprint.
It's okay.
Foot.
Okay, well, I want to go to the grocery store. Do you guys want epic dinner or
Yeah,
what?
let's do it.
Actually, when did you do that?
Andrew said like this. Should we tickle her?
I didn't see that. Stop. Bro, bro, the reflexes are crazy. To go like this.
We can punch her now.
I have a gun.
Just
No. Amber, that's fucked up.
I give up.
That's fucked up.
It's like the dog.
What dog?
You know the dog staring into the sunset that's just like,
Bro.
don't know that
The
one?
brown lab?
yeah. There's a gun.
Okay, wait. I learned this in a self-defense class. How do you get out of this, Ashley?
Humper.
How do you get out of this? I'm actively humping you. What do you do if some guy grabs you and starts humping you? How do you get out?
I would go like this. I would go like this and grab under and grab their balls through my legs.
What?
She said
Go again.
disrupt the
Yeah, I would
rhythm.
go like this.
Disrupt the rhythm.
How'd you get out of a hug?
How'd you get
What
out
if
of
we
a hug?
said, you're going in our van?
Yeah.
How do you
You're
get
coming
out
with
of
us.
this? How do you
I would just be like, okay.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Let's
Yeah.
go. Ooh. What if you eat a lot and then do a stomach vacuum and you see a little pouch of food in
What
your
if I
belly?
swallow an apple like whole, but then I do a stomach vacuum and then
Did
you
you
can
see
see
the
apple?
outline of an apple?
Yeah.
Why not watermelon?
Oh, very true. Very good point.
Do you think you could break the watermelon with your thighs? I think you could.
What the fuck, bro? Yeah.
And I think Amber could too. Amber could hit it with it one time. Bam. Wait, do you ever see when people do like choreography but with their thighs, thighography, and then they'll do like a song and like clap their thighs the whole time?
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna go get groceries now.
You're the best sister ever, honestly.
No,
I
you
do have
are
to
the
say,
best sister
you're the
ever,
best
girl.
sister ever. And even though,
And even
Oh,
you're
sorry.
okay, bro.
and even though at the end of the day we're trying to
Find our way in the world.
trying to find our way.
The three of us as individuals are right here, but when the three of us come together, we rise each other up to the top.
No.
Okay, keep walking.
No, stop filming me, stop filming me. Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
Yeah!
You were like, you should go look for your mom, Ashley.
Wait, get this.
Looking hella fratty, my guy.
Let's go. How about now?
Looking so fratty.
I don't even give a fuck. I literally don't give a fuck.
Amber don't give a fuck.
She don't got it. I got my friends.
Really quick, want to say I mean no disrespect to that bread. And after this, I promise to chill. But first, I'm gonna lick this bagel. Like Ariana Grande. Just kidding, I would never do that. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, so big. You ever think about how fucked up that is?
That's your brain. This is probably like 10 times your brain. Don't let that go over your head.
This is Ashley brain. One of them. Kidding, kidding. Big brain, big brain. Your probably has a bone in it like this. You probably got a bone in your brain. I'm just kidding.
You're a dose of claims and
Yeah,
when you were having a bone brain.
I need help.
Look at this.
She's so lost. Oh my gosh, she's so tiny. It's so cute. What are you doing? This could be your next thumbnail, bro. We're going to make a little bowl. This actually kind of makes no sense.
No, someone else's. Oh, it's for Nami.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at my face. Ow.
Can I get a tour of those pores? Wow, actually very beautiful eyelashes.
Good night, queen. Good night, love you, queen. The flash.
And even good night, Carrie.
Good night.
No. Good night, bro.
Labor.
Hey, nice boobs, bro.
Grab them.
No.
Tell me if they're growing.
No.
They haven't grown in 20 years. Grab them.
But they look kind of huge from this angle.
Grab them.
Those are at least double A's.
Oh, that's huge. Wait, what about my belly?
That's a D.
Okay, grab my boobie and tell me if they're grown.
I am not doing that. Call up your girlfriend, bro.
She wouldn't do either.
How good are you sleeping on this couch?
I don't know. Last weekend I finally got eye mask.
Andrew's saying that when he could just close the blinds every night.
That's so much work.
This honestly is such a vibe.
Good night. Ah! Good night.
Good night.